Hello to friends and welcome. Today I have for you knife from a company that is called SR knives. On the box you will see only a lion's head and knives. The box looks nice, but will give you nothing, no information about the knife. So the best or nothing and scope of application. Yeah. And in my opinion, they have put some money into the packaging, which is really nice in my opinion. But then when we are talking about the knife, I will show you the points. So this is the SR600A, and I will put all the informations in the description. So if I make a mistake, then all will be corrected in the description. So firstly, you see here, they will give you a, let's say, a bulky but decent pouch. So this is always good to see with the budget-friendly offerings from China. They certainly did not have to do that like when I showed you previous knives, like maybe Sanren Mu and Lan. These do not give you any kind of travel packaging, let's say. So just a Velcro closure, and inside we have this knife. The packaging, just a standard piece of plastic, and if you are not aware of the design cues, so I need to tell you up front that this looks extremely similar to the Canonian design CRKT made K300K XP. Also the Houtenanny called folding knife. So we have a blade steel for CR13 MOV, so a little bit less than your standard Chinese 8CR13 MOV. I'm not quite sure how this will impact the performance. We have milled G10 scales, stainless steel bolsters. This is a full stainless steel liner lock. It rides on bearings. I will try to show you a picture, and I need to say that yes, I have disassembled the knife, did clean it because it did require a little bit cleaning to be smooth. And if you are curious, then if you take down the scale, you will have two Phillips screws, and this is the inside of the knife. So it will ride on Teflon washers. The screws are not thread locked, which is really good because you don't have to apply excessive force or heat up the screw to take it apart. So I did clean it, applied a little bit of oil, and then it is really smooth. The lock engagement is really good, no problems with the lock. Centering is really good, and also the flipping action, just keep in mind that this is not on bearings, so just your standard washers. Okay, so we have a overall length of 22.8 centimeters or 8.97 inches. The weight of the knife is 184 grams or 6.5 ounces. The close length is 13.3 centimeters or 5.24 inches. The blade length is 9.5 centimeters or 3.74 inches. The thickness of the blade is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches, and the width is 3 centimeters or 1.18 inches. It is a full stainless steel construction with G10 scales and G10 backspacer. It has a decent pocket clip with nice bend to it, so that is good to have, because this texture under the pocket clip will be tearing up your pockets. So it is always good to see if the pocket clip has enough tension to slide the material under without problems. We have some cosmetic jimping here on the bottom, which is a extended finger choil, and also on the top. And yeah, what to say, what I have saw in the past, so SR knives are usually making knives with prominent designs features. So they are well known to make some made for Praetorians. And when I saw this knife, I was really curious about it and I wanted to check it out. So but I would suggest to go and get the CRKT K300 KXP. The price difference is yeah, it is a little bit more expensive. For this one you are looking at around $14 to $15, so it's around half the price of the CRKT. Knife is made in China, of course, but that you should decide if you want to get it or check it out. I will provide a link in the description if you want to check it out and buy, and also will annotate all the informations for you. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I will be more than happy to respond, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.